Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Today, let's take a look at Pepe Coin and Shiba Faucet. These sites are simple and don't have many pop-ups, so it's pretty easy to earn. Log into Pepe Coin first and solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. Great, you're all done. The claim goes directly to Faucet Pay. You can speed claim this faucet. It has no timer. I'm going to claim a few more times. Now go to your Faucet Pay account to make sure your coins have been deposited. As you can see, the coins have been sent to your balance. When you're done, go to your FreeShiba faucet. Once you're logged in, you will see your dashboard at the top. Here you will see Faucet, Games, and Contest. Your withdrawal menu is up here too. Select Faucet, then scroll down and solve the CAPTCHA. The reward levels go from Stone being the lowest to Master being the highest. You can claim every hour. Great! You can increase your coins by playing games as well. Select games on your dashboard. You have half a dozen games here like Plinko and slots. Let's select dice. Put your win percentage past 75% and click roll. You can change the percentage whenever you want. After playing games, you can withdraw by going back up to your dashboard and selecting Withdraw. The minimum amount is 100,000 Shiba. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you make a ton of Shiba and win the lottery. Please like and subscribe.